Fruit is nature's ready-made snack packed with vitamins and several other nutrients that support a healthy diet. Fruit is also generally high in fiber and low in calories, which may help you lose weight. Eating fruit is linked to a lower body weight, a lower risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, and heart disease. Here are 10 of the best fruits for weight loss. 10. Apples. Apples have been found to support weight loss. Apples are high in fiber and low in calories, with 5.4 grams of fiber and 116 calories per fruit. Low-calorie fruits like apples are very filling, so you may eat less of other foods throughout the day. It's worth noting that an apple is almost 3 times as filling as a chocolate bar. Apples are best eaten whole rather than juiced, to reduce hunger and control appetite. Apples can be enjoyed several different ways, both raw and cooked. Try baking apples or adding them to oatmeal, cereals, yogurt, and salads. 9. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruits are small brown fruits with bright green or yellow flesh and tiny black seeds. Kiwis are full of nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin E, fiber, and folate, and have significant health benefits such as reducing blood pressure. Kiwis are rich in dietary fiber. One peeled fruit has over 2 grams of fiber. The skin of the fruit provides 1 extra gram of fiber. Kiwi is soft, sweet, and delicious when eaten in any form, raw, peeled, or unpeeled. Kiwi can also be juiced, added to your morning cereal, added to salad, or used in baked goods. 8. Passion fruit. Passion fruit, which originates in South America, grows on a beautiful, flowering vine. It is purple or yellow in color with a tough outer rind and an edible, pulpy seed mass inside. One fruit contains just 17 calories and is a rich source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and potassium. For weight loss, passion fruit is best consumed whole. It can be eaten alone, used as a topping or filling for desserts, or added to drinks. 7. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a cross between a pomelo and an orange and is commonly associated with dieting and weight loss. Grapefruit has a low glycemic index, which means it releases sugar into your bloodstream more slowly. A low glycemic index diet may aid in weight loss and weight maintenance. A recent review found that grapefruit consumption reduced body fat, waist circumference, and blood pressure. While grapefruit can be eaten on its own, it is also great in salads and other dishes. 6. Berries. Berries are low-calorie and absolutely loaded with nutrients. Berries may help decrease cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. Berries can be added to cereal or yogurt for breakfast, blended in a healthy smoothie, mixed into baked goods, or tossed in a salad. 5. Rhubarb. Rhubarb is actually a vegetable, but in North America and Europe it is often prepared like a fruit. Rhubarb fiber may help reduce high cholesterol, which is a common problem for people who struggle with their weight. Rhubarb stalks can be stewed and served with porridge or your favorite cereal. Although it can be used in many ways, including in desserts, it's best to stick to low-sugar rhubarb dishes when trying to lose weight. 4. Melons. Melons are low in calories and have a high water content, which makes them very weight loss friendly. Though low in calories, melons are rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lycopene. Consuming fruits with high water content may help you shed extra weight. However, watermelon does have a high glycemic index, so portion control is important. Melons can be enjoyed fresh, cubed, or balled to liven up a fruit salad. They're also easily blended into fruit smoothies or frozen into fruit popsicles. 3. Oranges. Like all citrus fruits, oranges are very filling, low in calories while high in vitamin C and fiber. While many people consume orange juice instead of orange slices, studies have found that eating whole fruits, rather than drinking fruit juices, not only results in less hunger and calorie intake, but also increased feelings of fullness. If your goal is to lose weight, it may be better to eat oranges rather than drink orange juice. The fruit can be eaten alone or added to your favorite salad or dessert. 2. Bananas. When trying to lose weight, Some people avoid bananas due to their high sugar and calorie content. While bananas are more calorie dense than many other fruits, they are also more nutrient dense, supplying potassium, magnesium, manganese, fiber, numerous antioxidants, and vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Bananas can be enjoyed on their own as a convenient on-the-go snack or added to cereal, oatmeal, and a wide variety of other dishes. 1. Avocados. Avocados are a fatty, calorie-dense fruit grown in warm climates. Despite their high calorie and fat content, avocados may promote weight loss. Studies have found that eating avocados can increase feelings of fullness, decrease appetite, and improve cholesterol levels. Additionally, avocados can be used as a replacement for butter or margarine on bread and toast. You can also add them to salads, smoothies, or dips. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Top Shelf Health.